truly believe when people have a comfortable home where they can be themselves, they feel restored and ready to take on the world. The thought of building, remodeling, or decorating a home can be daunting. I get it. There are literally thousands of decisions to be made. At Kari Campbell Interiors, we're here to guide you through this time-consuming process, to problem solve, and to design a functional, beautiful, unique home that feels just like you. I like to define style as the visual representation of your personality, and our job is to help you figure out what that is and then translate it into your home. We're here to take care of every detail you can imagine, and the countless details you probably don't even know to imagine. Let us help guide you to the functional, fresh, and updated home you're dreaming of.